So when people said machines will steal our jobs, I always thought of stuff like factory work, cleaning, and other odd jobs like that, but apparently they can code now. Now this got me feeling two kinds of ways. On one hand, this could be an amazing tool that can help new developers learn how to code and make the work process of game development and other fields like it just so much easier and more efficient. And on the other hand, some of us are gonna have the T800 sitting at our desk.
My disk now, bitch.
So anyways, welcome to RVK, where we make and play games, and I may just be out of a job now. Or well, I guess hobby, cause I don't really get paid to make games. Now I assume most of you have heard of ChatGPT by this point. If not, here's the basic rundown. It's a chatbot made by OpenAI that can write emails for you, give you step-by-step guides, and the big one we're focusing on in this video, the AI can even code. Specifically how this AI can be utilized to make entire games, because now anyone with zero programming experience can make an entire game start to finish. Even Bob's little cousin Pablito can make games now.
I can confirm he remade the entirety of GTA 5 in like 3 minutes.
Okay, but in all seriousness, the capabilities of this are kinda crazy. I mean, just think about it. This AI can write entire scripts in seconds. No troubleshooting, no extra hassle, and barely any need for human effort beyond making a request, which is both really cool, but also kinda scary. If this AI can make entire scripts in seconds, and more effectively and quickly than a human, why would game studios need programmers anymore when we could use these AIs instead?
Okay, but truth be told, T800 is a great coworker. He even brings donuts for everybody on Fridays. He's such a nice guy.
But doesn't he also go on long rants about purging humanity?
Yeah, but like, the donuts though.
Anyways, let me show you a little example of how quick this AI works. So I'll just ask it to write down a basic little player movement script, and just like that, in less than 30 seconds, it has a full script for top-down player movement ready. Now I'll just copy and paste this script in a Visual Studio, apply it to the square, hit play, and just like that, we have a working basic prototype for top-down player movement. That's 10 minutes of work done in less than 1 minute. Now while this may seem scary if you're a game programmer, it's amazing if you're a game studio. With this AI, we can produce results 10 times as fast, making the work of one man have the same level of productivity as 10. Which brings me on to what I really feel like this AI is going to do for the game industry, which is increase productivity. Imagine if your employees could do a week's work in 1 day. You could skip so much time in the development process and produce a project that would normally take a year in 3 months.
Okay, but can the AI fix my marriage?
No, Bob, even the AI can't make your wife come back. So my final answer to the big question, is AI going to be stealing our jobs? Will game developers have no use? Honestly, no, because when you look at what ChatGPT really is, it's a tool. It's simply a tool to make the workflow process of programming more convenient and more efficient. And at the end of the day, AI can't replace one thing, critical thinking. Because even though an AI can write the entire code for your game, it can't integrate all the code by itself, nor can it organize a whole project on its own. It still needs an end user, someone behind the screen to tell the AI what to do and to understand how to use the resources the AI provides. So yeah, I think we should be fine for the most part.
RV, about that, the T800 is kinda acting up right now.
See, Bob, this is what you get for trusting the Terminator.
But like, the donuts.